Hey word wizards, ever stumbled upon words that sound the same but have wildly different meanings? You've encountered homonyms. These linguistic twins can be tricky, but they're also incredibly fun and fascinating. Get ready to unlock their secrets in this exciting journey into the world of homonyms. Homonyms are words that sound alike, but possess distinct meanings. Think of them as linguistic chameleons, adapting their meaning based on context. Today, we'll explore what homonyms are, uncover their different types, and discover why understanding them is key to mastering language. Homonyms share the same spelling, or pronunciation, or sometimes both. But their meanings differ completely. This makes understanding the context incredibly important. Homonyms fall into two main camps: homophones and homographs. Homophones have the same pronunciation. Think, there, and there, they sound alike, but have very different meanings. Then there are homographs. These share the same spelling, but have different pronunciations and meanings. Examples of this would be bow, a knot, and bow, a weapon. Let's look at some fun examples. Bat can be a flying mammal or a piece of sporting equipment. Bow can be a weapon or a graceful knot. And lead can be a heavy metal or to guide someone. Understanding homonyms is not just about avoiding confusion, it's about building your vocabulary, improving pronunciation, and enhancing your communication skills. Plus, they're the lifeblood of puns, riddles, and word games, adding a layer of fun and wit to our language. Let's explore more examples. Bank could be a riverbank or a financial institution. Tear could be water from your eye or an action of ripping. Homophones are words with the same sound, while homographs share the same spelling. Understanding them significantly boosts your comprehension and enhances your writing skills. So, the next time you encounter words that sound alike but have different meanings, remember, you've just met a homonym. Don't let them trip you up. Embrace their delightful complexity, expand your vocabulary, and have fun with them.